tent. We have 15 by 33 broom patio and steps. Yesterday we demoed this out and we laid gravel and carbon bar. So this is our project today, 150 feet from the street. So it's got the line pump and then also a cool set of stairs right here. This will be awesome. Okay, we've got the steps poured out. Wall lines are macked in. Now we'll just fill these bays up as we go along and pour out the patio. You can see the integrated gray color carbon bar we lift up as we go along. Everything looks great. All right, that took about 30 minutes to pour out our patio. We have slate gray in the mix with a broom finish. Should look fantastic. Now we're in the still a little wet, so we're gonna wait to get a lot of our tooling done, but getting our edges scraped and everything's starting to look good. Broom finish with a nice shine edge here in about 2 hours. That's the patio. Finished it with a shine edge and a little seam. Love the decorative corners there, very nice. We have a slate gray color in this along with a broom finish. Tomorrow morning we'll come back and put cure and seal on this to help lock in the color. Just looks fantastic. 8-yard pour today. Started at 10:30, done at 1:30. Beautiful set of stairs. What can we before and after for you?